Good afternoon, teacher and classmates from low intermediate from second year in Zamorano. In this occasion, I'm gonna speak about the panda in danger of extinction. I'm gonna speak about how or what we can do to help the pandas. So the title of my conversation for today is Saving the Panda. Okay, the panda is the importance of the conservation of this extremely rare species in is a big world theme because with the birth of the new panda it becoming a celebration. So it kept the attention of many conservation centers and zoos around all the world because when a zoo have a baby panda in this new baby panda, it increased the tourist visit in 50% over than they had before that the baby panda's birth. So the panda is a symbol of the world wildlife found. The giant panda is one of the most developed animals in the world. It is also one of the more endangered species in the world, with only about 1,000 or around 2,000 living in the wild. So there are a lack awareness of people with respect to the freedom of these animals. But there's many people in different countries around all the world that they have pandas in captivity, altering their lifestyle. Also, having a panda in the zoo is too many expensive because you must thinking about the panda needs very uh, so much attention. So and there are almost 2.5 million of dollars per year without breeding without breeding. So if just one panda is to just have one panda is so much expensive for the world, but especially in the sauce. So why is so expensive? Because the pandas have all the attention in this, like in the so doctors, chefs, arts habits. So China also contribute with bonds to the project to the protect of the pandas, promoting education in the schools to protect the bamboo forest. That is the panda's principal food. So without this food, the pandas couldn't eat every day what they need to survive. Caring the panda in that conditions led to a good condition for these animals. In it helps to increasing a number of successful birds to have the captivity increased with the numbers of cubs that born being positive to the conservation of the species, and it is contributed to the increase of the number of pandas in the natural reserves in China, USA, Europe, and principally in other places. So, them many places contributed to help the pandas conservation. So, we have a question about what we can do to help the wildlife reserves, what we can do to help. Okay, the wildlife reserves have been set up in parts of China to make sure the pandas have a home and care is taken to make sure they survive in the wild. Research continues to study how the pandas breed in an effort to increase the population. You can donating or adopting a panda through the wildlife fund, and it could help like the pandas have more correct conditions of their lifestyle. So the pandas need the attention of all the world, not only from China, because the pandas is an important species for the world, for the humans, and for our history. Pandas must have the importance that we give to the technology or for ourselves. And it is all I can say about saving the panda and what we can do to support this. What is the challenge that we have to help the panda? So thank you for this occasion, for the attention, and see you in another occasion.